drops of vanilla essence, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, 3/4 of a cup all-purpose flour, half a cup of milk and 1 large egg. Let's start by mixing all of the dry ingredients. So flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt. Now let's whisk this. This makes sure that your pancakes are nice and fluffy. Next, in another bowl, let's mix all of the wet ingredients. So milk, egg and vanilla essence. Now let's mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Make sure it's fully incorporated. When you're done mixing, the consistency should be like this. No lumps and very smooth. Let's start by greasing a pan and add some batter into it. Let's flatten it while it's on medium flame. Let's flip when bubbles start appearing. It's done cooking. You can drizzle some honey and add a slice of butter in the middle. Thank you for watching my pancake recipe. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. It's me, Zia, signing off.